Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to clear all cached files from Windows 10 11 or any other Windows version. It works for all versions of Windows. It is very easy yet very effective. If your PC is lagging in performance or it is becoming too slow, this video is definitely for you. After clearing all cache from your computer, the performance of your computer will be way better than earlier and it will load much faster. Make sure you watch the whole video and do not skip any part to get maximum benefits out of it. Let's jump into it without any delay. First thing first, press Window and R keys together to launch Run dialog box. Here we need to type prefetch. Once you type prefetch, hit OK. It will take you to Systems folder prefetch, and it will ask for administrative permission. You just need to click on Continue button. And here is the prefetch folder opened. This is another location where we have a lot of encrypted junk files. All these files are not created by you, and these are absolutely not required, and we can remove it safely. Now, press Ctrl and A keys together to select all files. After selecting all files, just press Shift and Delete button together to permanently delete these files. We do not want these files to go to the recycle bin, so delete them permanently. Some of the file may not get deleted, and that is absolutely fine. You can leave them as it is. Just select Do all this for current items and skip. These files do not get deleted because those files are being used by some programs. Once this is done, again, press Window and R keys together to launch Run dialog box. And this time we will type temp into the Run dialog. This is another folder which contains temporary files and log files. These are pretty safe to remove. So, hit Enter after typing temp into Run dialog. Now, press Ctrl and A keys together to select all files. After selecting all files, just press Shift and Delete button together to permanently delete these files. We do not want these files to go to the recycle bin, so delete them permanently. The third step is to target temporary files created by programs. For this, press Window and R keys together to launch Run dialog box again. And this time we will type %temp%. This is another folder which contains temporary program and system files. Now, press Ctrl and A keys together to select all files. After selecting all files, just press Shift and Delete button together to permanently delete these files. We do not want these files to go to the recycle bin, so delete them permanently. Now, this is a very clean computer which has much less junk, temporary, and cached files than earlier. However, we are not done here. So, again, we will press Window and our key together. And this time we will type Clean Manager and hit Enter. It will open the Clean Manager utility and will start calculating deletable files. Once it is done, this cleanup window will pop up. Now, on lower right corner, select Cleanup System Files. Now, it will recalculate deletable files from Windows folders including error reports, temporary, delivery optimization, Windows logs, and offline internet files. Once done, a new window will pop up. Check all boxes and hit OK. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Please hit like and subscribe my channel.